Welcome back. It's Jane from Jane's Brain. Let's draw a very simple bird. I'm thinking of spring today, even though it's a blizzard outside here in South Dakota. Start with a little triangle, then a swoosh, a line swoosh, then right underneath, don't give it a neck now, just give it a fat belly. Now, give it another line swoosh. Then we have simple legs and an eye. And there you have a bird. If you want to add some color, let's add a red breast. Okay. Let's add, I want to make that a black eye. Oops. Let's give it a yellow beak. And then let's make it have green wings. Boy, that was another call. I normally don't get so many calls. And you know what we can do with this little bird? We can also add a little shadow. Look at that little shadow. I don't know what its name is. And then, of course, Jane likes to outline everything in black. And I might ruin this bird. But let's try it anyway. I guess I could have started with black rather than blue, but for some reason this program begins with blue by default. So if I don't manually change it, it's going to be blue. And there you have it. A nice little bird. I love birds. Thank you. Bye.